Pet Acoustics releases free home pet hearing test. Pet Acoustics announced it launched the Pet Acoustics home pet hearing test to help pet parents determine if their cat or dog is suffering from any hearing loss. The company broke the test up into 3 different ranges: full hearing, partial hearing, or hearing loss. As pet parents, we often learn that our senior has lost hearing after we've observed behavioral changes or unsure if our young kitten is hearing. Veterinary testing machines can be costly, and jingling keys offer little information, Janet Marlow, Ma, founder of Pet Acoustics and sound behaviorist, explained in an organizational release. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. At any time of their life, a dog or cat's hearing abilities can change and affect behavior and well-being. That's why I developed this easy, science-based test for pet parents to know for sure, she continued. Designed for pets of all ages, pet parents can go to the Pet Acoustics website, start the test, and answer questions after each audio test. Then, they will receive an email of the results to determine whether your pet hears all the 3 levels or suffers from hearing loss.